Are you tired of getting swamped by team members asking you to reset their password after they've forgotten them? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable self-service password reset in Microsoft Entra Admin Center. This will allow all users to reset their passwords and save you time. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and head over to entra.microsoft.com and press enter. Then, in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, navigate to the Search Resources section of the site. In the search box, type password and then select Password Reset. In the Password Reset Properties window, select All to enable self-service password reset to all users and select Save. Then, in the left navigation blade under Manage, select Authentication Methods. Select the methods that aligns with your company policy. For this example, I'll select mobile app code, email and mobile phone. Then click on Registration. Under Require Users to register when signing in, select Yes and select the number of days before users are asked to reconfirm their authentication information. Please note, these settings only apply to end users in your organization. Self-service password reset is always enabled for administrators and are required to use two-factor authentication to reset their passwords. Also, feel free to click on this link to learn more about administrator password policies. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something new, share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.